Good morning, students. Welcome back to the class of English. Today, we'll be going to start chapter number 1 from your textbook. Who did Patrick's homework? Now, let me tell you the summary of the lesson. Patrick is one of the characters of this lesson, and he was a very lazy boy. He did not like to do his homework. Children are like that only, and they don't like to do homework. But if the teacher gives interesting homework, then you would like to, right? So one day he saw his cat playing with a little doll. But to his surprise, it was an elf, a man of tiniest size. Now what is an elf? E-L-F, elf. Elf is a tiny man. You might have seen many people having minimum height of 5, but these tiny men are very small, just the size of a finger. In Gujarati, we say them Vaitya. So these are the tiniest men. So he saw that what was in the hand of the cat, it was not a doll, but it was an elf. When he grabbed it, grab means to catch hold of or to take. So when he grabbed it, it yelled. Yelled means to give a big cry, not to be given back to the cat. Now see, whenever if it is given to the cat, then what would the cat do? It may cause harm to the elf. So the elf did not want to go back with the cat. So he promised to grant him a wish. Now see, this elf was a magical one and he had the power to grant someone's wish. So of course, if we ask the children what to do, what wish they will ask, they will just ask, please God, please see that there are no exams. Please God, see that today teacher doesn't give any homework and something like that. So Patrick was a boy who was very lazy and who did not like to write anything. So what he asked is, just he asked him to do his homework till the end of the semester. Just he wanted, see how innocent the children are, and they don't ask for riches, they don't ask for gold, they don't ask for money. Only they ask is what to do, only to write his homework. So after this, elf felt himself cursed. Why? Because he was also ignoramus. Ignoramus means one who doesn't know anything. So same was Patrick and same was the elf, because his teachers used to tell Patrick that you are an ignoramus and you are not able to do anything. So I don't know what you are going to do in your life. So Patrick was very feeling pity on himself. But when he told the elf, he was relaxed and he thought, now my homework will be done by elf and now I'll be relaxed and I can play whole day. But see, the elf also did not know anything. So anyhow, as he had told and as he had promised to grant Patrick a wish, so true to his words, he was ready to do his homework. But he needed his help. Whose help? Patrick's help. Just as to look up the dictionary and sound out the word by each letter so that the elf could understand. And by that way, he could help Patrick to do his homework. So, in this way, every day, in every way, the little elf troubled him. And anyhow, Patrick had to get troubled to at least read something. So now for reading and for finding out words, for looking up the dictionary, Patrick was working harder than ever. Staying up night. To stay up night means to wake up till late night. Never felt tired and kept on going to school because he had to sound the words, because he had to know the words. In order to know the words, he has to attend the lessons or the chapters in the school, and he has to read. So he was working harder. Now Elf was free because he completed his homework. Now the semester was completed. What happened at the end of the semester? When Patrick got A grade in all subjects, his classmates, teachers, and his parents wondered what had happened to him. Now, see, Patrick was also very surprised because he just knew that this was all because of Elf. He unknowingly worked hard, and he was only the one who had worked hard in order to get the grades. But what was going on in his mind was just thinking that Elf has done all these things, not he himself. So it was not the Elf, but it was Patrick's own inspiration. He did his homework himself, really. But see, he thought, who has done his homework? The Elf. So, self help is the best help. This is what we learn from the lesson. And there is no shortcut to success. So, if we want to get success, we should not look for else. We should look within ourselves and try to work hard. Because if we work hard, we are going to get results. So, don't worry about the results. Just work hard, and working hard is nothing. It is just reading, some extra reading, and just completion of your given task. So, I hope you have understood the lesson well and you have enjoyed the story of Patrick. So, that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.